Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Key Dot, and I'm just giving you a quick update on my Moistenland hydroponic system. So today I'm just going to, harvest, cut the lettuce, put them in my fridge so I can eat later on. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm just taking a quick bowl and some scissors, and I'm going to cut the lettuce down. So first I'm just going to snip from the lower part, and you want to snip, the biggest leaves first. You want to leave the smaller leaves alone. So I'm going to do that. Snip. These are really big pieces of lettuce. Like, wow. And you want to harvest your lettuce early and often. So excited to eat this, okay? Salads have been super bomb, and I can grow my own lettuce inside of my house with this very convenient hydroponic system. Let me turn my camera. Hopefully I'm speaking loud enough. So I'm gonna go to the back and cut off this black seeded Simpson. As you can see, when you harvest the lettuce, it doesn't look so much like a jungle inside of this box anymore. So I'm gonna cut this one. Okay. So I have cleaned it up a bit. Let me just shut my box. And this is how it looks now. So lettuce has been harvested. And as you can tell from the last video, my tomato plants in the back do have the flower blossoms on there, and they are blossoming pretty well. These are the flowers that I had. These are growing so fast. And this right here is what I harvested from my own indoor hydroponic garden. That is a really nice bowl of lettuce, okay? Oops, drop one. Yeah, but really nice bowl of lettuce, and they taste so good, especially when you spice your salad up. And let me move this out of the way. Gonna go back in so you all can see again an update of the rooting systems inside of here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. These plants drink so much water. Like within the past week, I've already like filled this up maybe like twice. And the plants have been drinking. And again, I still do feed them every 2 weeks with the liquid plant food. But I did not feed them yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and give them the recommended cap amount of liquid plant food. Here we go. AeroGarden. Okay. So for my 12 pod model system, I'm supposed to give 6 capfuls every 2 weeks. So this is what I do. Just gonna move it up a little. Oh. I'm gonna give them 6 capfuls of plant food right in there. Two. Oops. 3. 4. 5. Oops. And 6. So just gave them 6 capfuls of liquid plant food. I'm also going to, like I said, put more water in it because the plants just drink it up, okay? So I went to go get 3 bottles of water, and I'm just gonna pour it right into, oh, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Just gonna pour it into the hole. Oops. And that was 3 bottles of water. Just put this back on there or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoy this update. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the plants real quick before I go. Excuse me for the noise. Just trying to unscrew it. Alright, so here are the flowers again. They're growing really nice. Okay, focus. Here are the tomato plants. You can't really get in there, but there they are. And I'm ready to chop down on some fresh tomatoes from my Tiny Tims. And I already clearly enjoy the lettuce. And again, I got those pre-seeded pods from AeroGarden. And I also have the AeroGarden liquid plant food that comes with the pre-seeded pods. I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and I'm out.